Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 6 Subject Science. In that, chapter number 8, Body Movement. Today we'll see part 3. In the previous video, we have seen part 1 and part 2. Now today we'll see from main 7. Explain giving scientific reasons. It carries 2 marks each. Now see the number 1. Small children should sit erect. Answer is the bones of small children are soft. The bones during childhood can be bent comparatively more. So, if they do not sit erect, bones may bend, forming hump. Hence, small children should erect. Now, see the number 2. The bodies of birds are well suited for flying. Answer is birds are lighter in weight as their bones are hollow and light. The bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking and perching. The bony parts of the forelimbs are modified as wings. Their breastbones are modified to hold muscles of flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. Hence, it is said that the bodies of birds are suited for flying. Now, see the number 3. Fish can swim easily in water. Answer is fishes can easily swim in water because they have streamlined bodies which produce minimum friction in water, and energy required to overcome this friction is a very less. Fish also use their back fin called the caudal fin to help push them through water. Now see the next page. Main 8. Give 2 points of differences. It carries 2 marks. Difference between bones and cartilage. Number 1. They are hard. Bones are hard and cartilage they are soft. Point 2. They cannot be bent, and here they can be bent. Cartilage can bend and bones cannot be bent. Now see the main 9. Match the following. Write the alphabet from section B in the answer. 2 marks each. First of all, we will see section A. 1 earthworm, 2 snail, third one cockroach, fourth one snake. And section B, A shell, B long backbone, C rings, D fins, and E 2 pairs of wings, 3 pairs of legs. First one, earthworm match with the rings, snail match with the shell, cockroach match with the 2 pairs of wings, 3 pairs of legs, snake match with the long backbone. Now see the section A. In that, first of all, we will see second one. First of all, we will section A. Number 1 upper jaw, number 2 ribs, number 3 backbone, fourth one skull. In section B, A 12 pairs, B 33 bones, C 1 fixed joint, and D protects brain. Now see the number 1 upper jaw match with the C 1 fixed joint. Number 2 ribs match with the A 12 pairs. Number 3 backbone match with the 33 bones, and skull match with the protects brain D. Now see main 10. Answer the following questions in details. It carries 4 marks. Question is explain the diet of an earthworm. Answer is an earthworm does not have bones and legs. Its body is made up of muscles. The body of an earthworm is made up of many rings, loops, joined end to end. It moves forward by the contraction and expansion of muscles. During movement, the earthworm first extends the front part of the body, keeping the rear portion fixed to the ground. Then it fixes the front end and releases the rear end. It then shortens the body and pulls the rear end forward. This makes it move forward by a small distance. Repeating such muscles expansion and contraction, the earthworm can move through soil. The body secretes a slimy substance to help with the movement. Main 11. Fill the following tables. It carries 4 marks each. Table. How do animals move from place to place? See, the animal column is there. body part means organ used for moving place to place. Which part is used and how do animals move? See, cow organ is the legs and they move through the walk. Humans, they also legs and they can walk. Snake, whole body and slither. See the birds, the organs are wings and legs, wings or legs, and they can move by fly or a walk. Cockroach, organs are legs or wings and they can walk or a fly. Fish, they have fins and tail and they can swim. Now see the table, movements in our body. See, body part is given, movement. Rotates completely, rotates partly or turns, bends, lifts, does not move at all. Neck, not rotates completely. It's a partly rotate. So yes, it's a bend. So yes, lift. So yes, and does not move at all. So no. Wrist, wrist not rotates completely. So no. Rotates partly. So yes. Bend. So yes. Lift. So yes, and does not move at all. So no. Finger, the rotates completely? No. Partly rotates? Yes. Bends? Yes. Lifts? No. Does not move at all? No. Knee, rotates completely, rotates partly, turns, not rotates partly, turns, so no. Bends, so yes. Lifts, so no. Does not move at all, so no. Ankle, not rotates completely, so no. Partly rotates, yes. Bends, yes. Lifts, yes. And move at all, does not move at all, so no. Toe, rotates completely, to no. Partly rotates, yes. Bends, yes. Lifts, no. And does not move at all, no. Back, so not rotate completely, so no. Partly rotate, yes. Bends, yes. Lift, yes. Does not move at all, so no. Head, not rotate completely, partly rotate, so yes. Not partly rotate, so no. Bends, no. Lift, no. Does not move at all, yes. Elbow, the rotate completely, no. Partly rotate, yes. Bends, bends, no. Elbow not bend. And lift, yes. And does not rotate completely, so no. Arm, rotates completely, yes. Partly rotate, yes. Bends, yes. Lift, yes. And does not move at all, so no. See the activity. To understand the importance of joints of bones. Apparatus and materials, long scale and string. Procedure. Take a long scale. See here the scale is given. Place the scale lengthwise on your arm this way, so that your elbow is in the center. Ask your friend to tie the scale and your arm together. Now try to bend your elbow. Are you able to do it? Observation is elbow cannot be bent. Conclusion is we cannot bend different parts of our body if no joints were present. Joints are very important for movements. Number 2, to understand the structure of rib cage. Here apparatus and material is not. Procedure. Take a deep breath and hold it for a little while. Here it's a rib cage is there. See, rib cage is there. Feel your chest bones and the backbone by gently pressing the middle of the chest and back the same time. Count as many ribs bones of the chest as possible. You have to count it. Here is a sternum is there. It's a clavicle, and here is the cartilage. This one is, and this one is the ribs. This one. Look at the rib cage and compare it with the number of the ribs you have counted. Here your chapter is completed, and we will see the next chapter and next semesters in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.